TTAADC Chairman Bhabaranjan Reang launched a scathing attack on the state government over the deferred village committee elections, declaring that the grassroots polls must be conducted by hook or by crook. The statement came during the chairman's visit to the Ananda Sagar SB School, where he held an extensive organizational and developmental interaction with local villagers and community elders. Beyond political discussions, the chairman directly inspected the school's basic infrastructure, focusing heavily on the heavily dilapidated condition of the school water tank, which has been disrupting clean drinking water access for students. He directed local officials to initiate immediate repair work. The state government might be keeping the village committee elections on hold, but this cannot continue indefinitely. These crucial grassroots polls must be conducted by hook or by crook to restore true democratic governance in the hills. TTAADC Chairman Bhabaranjan Reang asserted.
Ini chung rawa Ananda Sagar party ni keha meeting rawa Ananda Sagar Village Council ni andaro keha party meeting khelemo boro chung Chini discount je matma samung ta nai nangnai Village Council election ni koma ko chung salaha abuni khoye development ma ro gramo ma samui sang to aboro no tu chung salaha etre Chini rawa tabo je chung rawa phai mokero school samo chung nai pa boro tui school student raw je mai misung nai raw ko khoksui mok bang ma to tui krimon karono ke boro water tank ya chung no abo tui kuno connection krui abo de ro samoisa ro chung no pa ya ke bodi raw no elaka o development ni activity raw no te kaham ke khenai boye chung meeting o chung koma sale yang nijer ko phai nei pa abon ba de chung tinio duita jaga o chung meeting ke Ananda Bazar sector bai etoro village council o keha meeting ini Chini activity bono je chung discount election nong yang ke Chini bro ro onek 10 বছর katha election ta upo village council election kheya state government sob samoi no bahana kheto abon bai chung wanai to mamke supreme court ni order mote june mas o je election on mako abo tini jarao ko kuno final drafting ako are ko notification o chung no ha June mas ni 15 tarik ni singo abong po ene kau erpore obrang state government ma decision renew abo chung nai sing to jodi se ong yang ni village council chung pura discount andolon khenai blog raw Chini tre office raw bare abro no chung nangmi ke tala riye phono pura capture khenai jor jabardasti ke phono makan.
The TTAADC chairman outlined several critical agendas during his interaction with the Ananda Sagar villagers. Pure report, Chini Khorang.